Meaning of divulge.
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 Divulge. The word divulge means to reveal or disclose information that was previously kept secret or private. When someone divulges information, they are sharing it with others who may not have known about it before. This can have both positive and negative consequences, depending on the context. For example, divulging confidential or sensitive information can result in legal or ethical violations, while divulging personal feelings or experiences can lead to greater understanding and connection with others. Overall, to divulge is to make known something that was previously hidden.